Auntie, listen. Do you know the reason why your skin itches so badly after taking your bath? It's because of a medical term called xerosis. I'll break it down. It's simple. Xerosis occurs when your body is dehydrated. When the natural oil that's supposed to lubricate your skin is being rid of, and the natural fluid or water is being rid of your skin. So a lot of things could contribute to this, a lot of factors. I will share them with you. One of the major factors is bathing with hot water. What hot water does, it washes off your natural skin oil, hence causing itchy after bathing. And the second factor will be your soap of choice. The use of harsh chemicals in your soap, fragrance-infused soap, can wash off your natural oils and dehydrate your skin, and hence cause itchy after bathing. Frequent showering, bathing like 4 or 5 times, especially with hot water every day, can erode your skin of its natural fluid, and oil causes dehydration of the skin, which can result in xerosis. The weather could also contribute, Harmattan weather, winter, where the air is too dry. So for the skin to compensate the dry air now, it will not be cracking, especially if you are not well hydrated in your body and on your skin. So these are the reasons why you itchy so badly after taking your bath. There is nothing too ambiguous, and there is nothing to be buying medication or be doing self-prescription or self-medication for. So it happens to everybody. I've experienced it, and the things that I did that worked out for me, I'll be sharing them with you in this video. So let's go ahead. The best methods to counter this, one is bathe with warm water. Warm water will be mild on your skin, protect your natural skin oil and also your natural fluid that's supposed to be present on your skin, so that your skin will be well hydrated. And secondly, your choice of soap should be mild and fragrance-free. Avoid harsh chemicals on your soap. And thirdly, pat dry your skin after bathing with towel. Avoid excessive rubbing your skin as if you are angry with your skin. Your skin is a sense organ, it's sensitive. So if you are aggressive to it, it will also respond aggressively. So stop rubbing your skin in a harsh way. Pat dry gently. Be gentle with your skin. And immediately after pat drying, moisturize with chemical-free, fragrance-free moisturizer, oil or body cream. They help to restore that natural hydration and natural oil on your skin. And do this while your body is still damp. Don't allow your body to dry out completely before you moisturize your skin. And finally, hydrate. Hydrate with a lot of water. Drink a lot of water every day. I can't overemphasize on this. Drink a lot of water. Water is what your skin breathes on. It's very good to your skin. If you want a nice skin, drink a lot of water. 8 cups of water every day.